Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, Myglamm have already launched the Popxo makeup collection, and in this new range of makeup line they have mini lip kit, mini nail polish kit, eyeshadow palette, eye and face palette, etc, etc. And guys, I know that I am little late for this video. Actually there is a delivery issue. My product delivery date was 9th October and I have received all my products on 19th October. I don't know why. Maybe because of the Durga Pujo and all. Maybe that is the reason. But anyway, I have all my products with me today, and here I am for sharing my opinion about these products. So I have two mini lip kit, this face and eye kit, this 4 eyeshadow palette, this is the hot mess, and this mini nail polish kit. And guys, in this video I'm sharing in details review of these two mini lip kits, because I know you guys are interested in lipstick. But don't worry, I will share swatches of these products, and also gonna talk a little bit about these products. So yeah, let's move on to the video. But before moving on to the video, make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell, so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's jump into the video. So they have two lip kit. One is No Drama Mini Lip Kit, which is the set of 3 creamy matte nude shades, and another one is Power Trip, which is the set of 3 bold shades. Both retails for $3.49, and you're gonna get 2.5 grams of product in each. And guys, that is how the lipstick looks like. On the bottom of the lipstick they have mentioned the shade name, and that is how the bullet looks like. At first I'll show you the swatches of No Drama Nude Lip Kit, and then the Power Trip, which is the set of 3 bold shades. So yeah, let's move on to the swatches. These are creamy matte mini lipsticks. So obviously the formula is kind of creamy matte formula. It has a little bit shine on it. And guys, here you're gonna get shadow medium coverage. No, this is not full coverage lipstick, but obviously you can build up the coverage. And on my lips it stay 5-6 hours, not more than that. And guys, it transfer a lot, like that much it transferred. And yeah, that's it about the lipstick. Now let's move on to the other products. And yeah, let's start with this hot mess eyeshadow palette. It has 4 bright shades and it retails for $2.99, and you're gonna get 4 grams of product. And guys, the shades are quite pigmented, and these are the swatches. I feel that this nude shade is a little chalky, but the rest are good. Next, move on to the Rise and Shine Face and Eye Palette. It retails for $4.99, and here you're gonna get total 5 shades. And you can use this white shade as setting powder, this pink one as both blush and eyeshadow. This is a highlighter shade, and you can also use it in your eyelid. This is another shimmery eyeshadow shade, and this last one is a matte eyeshadow shade, which you can use as your contour shade as well. And here are the swatches. Next and the last product, I have this mini nail kit. It has total 5 pop-up shades, and each nail pen contains 3 ml of product. The kit retails for $2.49, and guys, the shades are really very beautiful, but you need 2 to 3 stroke to get full opacity. It dries down fast, and these are the swatches. So that's all for this review. And guys, if you want any other product in details review, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to make another video for that. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And guys, follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.